The Bank of Canada has increased the key interest rate for the first time since 2018. And they've increased this key interest rate from 0.25% to 0.5%. So what does this mean to you? Before we get into things, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel as it helps get these videos in front of more awesome people like you. And if you're looking to talk about these topics or just real estate in general, you can click the link below and book a meeting directly with our team. So what do these interest rate increases mean to you? If you're in a fixed mortgage, obviously you have a fixed rate, so you won't have any changes to your monthly payment as of yet. However, if you have a variable mortgage, you should expect to see increases of about $10 to $15 a month per every $100,000 that you have mortgaged. So if you have $1 million mortgaged, you should see increases of about $100 to $150 of your monthly payment. So what does this mean for the real estate market? One quick note is the Bank of Canada has made it clear that they're expecting to increase interest rates a couple more times throughout the year. So with that being said, here's how I think this is going to play out. It's a little tough to tell and obviously tough to predict, but there's a lot of buyers out there that have interest rates locked in right now. And with the news of rates increasing and continuing to increase throughout the year, I think those buyers are going to try to purchase something and get into the market now so they can take advantage of the lower rates they have, especially knowing that they're going to go up throughout the year. After the first couple weeks or maybe month or so, and especially if other increases come quickly, I think we are going to see some cooling in the market. As interest rates start to increase, buying power starts to decrease, and it's kind of inevitable that we will see some sort of cooling in the real estate market. Now, I don't think this is going to affect every single buyer by any means. If you're pre-approved for $1.5 million and you're buying for $1.3 million, it's not going to have a huge impact on your affordability, but it will change what your monthly payments will be. With that said, a lot of people are buying near the top of their budget because of the increased prices that we've seen out in the market. So those people will definitely be affected. Their affordability is going to be diminished a little bit as their monthly payments start to increase. Either way, we know that it is going to cost more to borrow money as the year progresses, and I think that is going to have an impact on the real estate market. It's tough to say how big at this point. We'll have to see how quickly these interest rate increases come and how severe they are. So another thing that's being talked about in the mortgage industry right now is the gap between variable rates and fixed rates, and people are wondering, should I go with a variable rate or should I go with a fixed rate? And these rate increases are definitely going to have an impact, but there's still pros and cons to either decision. Now, I am no mortgage broker. I work as a real estate agent in the Burlington Oakville area, but if you're looking to have these questions answered specifically or you're looking to get pre-approved, reach out and we'd be happy to connect you with an excellent mortgage broker in the area. Now, all in all, I don't think these interest rate increases are a terrible thing. We've had historically low interest rates for the last 2 years, and partially because of that, we've seen extreme competition in the market, as well as very high appreciation of homes that, to be honest, isn't sustainable. So with interest rates increasing back to where they used to be a couple of years ago and maybe a little bit higher, I think we are going to see a shift towards more of a balanced market, which really is good for everybody. Let me know what you think of our takes on this, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll get back to you. Anyways, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.